What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out July's Marvel Corp X-Men 20th Anniversary Mystery Box, guys. Now, I did do the May Mystery Box. That was the Black Widow Mystery Box. That was a pretty cool box. Link to that video in the description below. But I can't wait to check out the X-Men. The X-Men has been out for so many years. I'm a huge fan of them, and I can't wait to dig into this box. Now, I already went ahead and cut the tape right here, so let's jump into it. Boom. Check that out, guys. Boom. Now, before we actually do that, let's close the box back and appreciate how cool this box looks, guys. You have the X-Men logo, the 20th anniversary, this gray and black themed box. It's a pretty cool box, guys. Nice, awesome box. All right, now let's jump into it. All right, what we got here? So let's start off with this sticker. It's a pretty cool sticker. It looks like Nightcrawler. I'm pretty sure it is Nightcrawler, guys. Comment down below if this is indeed a Nightcrawler. Pretty awesome sticker. Then we have, you know what, before we look at the pin, let's look at the card that we get. Alright, guys, so let's check this out. So X-Men 20th Anniversary. Looks like we'll be getting a pin. We get a decal. It doesn't say if it's Nightcrawler, but I'm pretty sure it is. We have the t-shirt, which you guys can see right there. Then, of course, we get the two pops, which we'll take a look at later in the video. And then the little reading right here. Alright, we say, celebrating the 20th anniversary of the movie debut of Marvel's Mutant Heroes. Our X-Men retail box includes a comic-inspired X-Men group t-shirt, a Nightcrawler decal, so yes, I was right, it is Nightcrawler, mid-transformation Mystique and Logan with bone claws in pop form, and a Professor X pin to show the world how powerful your fandom is. Pretty cool right there. And September's mystery box is gonna be Marvel Zombies, guys. Pretty dope. I'm not quite sure what Marvel Zombies are, but I can't wait to find out, guys. So subscribe to see September's mystery box, Marvel Zombies. Can't wait to check that out. Alright, so let's continue digging into the box. We saw the pin earlier. Let's pop the pin open. Alright, what are we getting for the pin? Boom, we have Professor X with Cerebral on his head. Pretty awesome pin. I like all these pins are so high quality, guys. Super high quality. I'm loving this pin. Now let's take a look at the awesome looking t-shirt we got. Boom, let's pop this open. Alright, and of course it's coming from Funko Pop. Funko Pop tees. Sweet. Alright, we're going to open this, and we're actually going to use this as our base for the rest of the video. And here we have, so it's a black tee, which you guys can see. Pretty cool black tee. We have Cyclops right here. We have Wolverine, and then we have, of course, Professor X, all in their pop form. And the colors just contrast this black. Pretty awesome, guys. We have the yellow, blue, and a little bit of black. Awesome contrast with the black. Sweet t-shirt. I can't wait to wear it. I'm probably going to throw a picture with me wearing it just so you guys can see how it looks. But it's an awesome t-shirt, guys. Alright, let's check out the pops. So you guys already saw the card, the two pops that we are going to get. And the first one is Mystique, guys. Now, like the card says, this is Mystique in a transformation, halfway transformation into Logan. And of course, it's a exclusive Marvel Corp. Pretty cool, number 217. And she is a set of 4 and 4, 8 and 3, 11, guys. So 11 total in this set. You guys can go ahead and check them out if you want to complete the set. I'm probably not going to complete this set because if I do, I'm just going to have way too much pops. I'm just going to stick with the every 2 months mystery box from Collector Corp. Pretty dope. Let's pop it open. Be careful not to ruin your box, guys, as your box are pretty important. All your boxes for your pops. Awesome, guys. Check this out. I love that blue and red color. That is awesome. Check out Mystique, guys. Mystique is pretty awesome looking, guys. And then we have the halfway Logan. Check out Logan, guys. It is cool looking hair right there. Damn, my hands are super dry. And of course, oh, this actually has a little stand. This is my first pop with a stand, guys. I recently just started collecting Funko Pops. And this is the first one I got with a stand. Pretty dope. We have his adamantium claws right here with his suit right here, half of his suit. This looks like his suit from the X-Men, I think, 2 movie. I believe, or The Last Stand. It's one of them, guys. But yeah, no, The Last Stand. It was The Last Stand. It was The Last Stand. There we go. Comment down below. Am I right, guys? Is this his suit from The Last Stand, when I think it was him and about 5 other X-Men were standing up against the Brotherhood, defending the humans? Pretty cool. If you guys still don't remember the Juggernaut scene, guys, the Juggernaut scene with Kitty, that was all in that battle right there. Sweet looking pop, guys. Awesome looking pop. I'm a huge fan of that. Let's check out the other one, which is going to be Logan with his bone claw. Now, this one looks right here, judging from his, looks like a, you know what, let's pop it open. And before we do that, this is number 653, and this is of the same set, apparently. I almost thought that was him, but that's him in his X-Men suit. I guess this is like an exclusive one right here. From there we go, guys. X-Men Origin Wolverine. I know I remember him from somewhere. Let me grab the box for Mystique just to verify what movie she's from. Hold on. I can't seem to find the box, guys. Give me 1 sec. Alright, now it just says Mystique from X-Men, but I'm pretty sure this is from the Last Stand movie. X-Men 3 The Last Stand. Alright, moving back to Logan. Let's pop him open. Oh, be gentle, be gentle. We don't want to destroy our packaging. And here we have Logan, guys. Check out Logan. Sweet looking Logan. Check out his military uniform. The dark green with the light green, what looks to be a belt of some sort. And of course, his original bone claws. For those of you who do not know, Wolverine did not born with adamantium. His claws were actually bone until, you know, adamantium was literally just injected into his skeleton, and then everything just became adamantium. But yeah, his bone claws were actually is part of his original mutant powers, his bone claws and his healing factor. Pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. Let's take another look at both of them. Sweet, guys. I'm loving these two characters, guys. I'm loving these two pop. I'm loving our Nightcrawler sticker and our Professor X pin, guys. I'm a huge fan of this mystery box, guys. If you guys did pick up this mystery box, I mean this Collector Core July box, comment down below, did you guys like it, or were you guys expecting something more? If you did, drop your comments down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and with that, that's where we're going to end the video, guys. Stay tuned for September's mystery box, where I said earlier it's going to be Marvel Zombies, guys. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.